In this video, I'll guide you through how to delete an EC2 instance in AWS. Whether you're looking to free up some resources or tidy up your environment, deleting an EC2 instance is straightforward once you know the steps. So let's dive in. First, you'll need to open the EC2 console. If you're not familiar, the EC2 console is your gateway to managing your EC2 instances on AWS. You can access it by logging into your AWS Management Console and navigating to the EC2 section. Once you're in the EC2 console, you'll find yourself on a dashboard that provides an overview of all your instances and their current states. On the left-hand side of the EC2 console, there's a navigation sidebar. From this sidebar, you'll want to click on Instances. This will take you to a page where all your EC2 instances are listed. It's important to be cautious here, especially if you manage multiple instances. You wouldn't want to accidentally delete the wrong one. Once you're on the Instances page, the next step is to locate the instance you want to delete. You'll find a list of all your instances here, along with details such as their names and unique instance IDs. Double-check these details to ensure you have the right instance selected. It's always a good idea to verify both the name and the instance ID. Mistakes happen, and it's better to be safe than sorry. After you've identified the correct instance, check the box next to it. This action selects the instance for further operations. Once selected, you'll notice some options become available at the top of the interface. Now, look for the Instance State drop-down menu. It's located at the top of the interface near Other Management Options. Click on this drop-down menu to reveal a list of actions you can take regarding the instance's state. Among these options, you'll see Terminate Instance. Select Terminate Instance and AWS will initiate the termination process. A quick note here, terminating an instance is irreversible. Once you confirm the termination, the instance will be permanently deleted and any data stored locally on it will be lost. So, make sure you have backups of any critical data before proceeding. After selecting Terminate Instance, AWS may ask you to confirm your choice. This is your final opportunity to back out if you're not completely sure. If everything checks out, go ahead and confirm the termination. AWS will then handle the rest, and your instance will be deleted. And that's it. You've successfully deleted an EC2 instance in AWS. This simple process can help you manage your resources efficiently, ensuring you're only using what you need. Remember to always double-check which instance you're deleting to avoid any unwanted surprises. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe for more AWS tutorials. Happy cloud computing!